It's only around 9. It's only a week. A week.
It's just a week and a day.
A week and a day. Wow. Let's walk you up there again, John. Walk you back up.
I could run, but I'm not going to.
Wow. Wow. So you're about 7-8 days. And you're walking incredibly well.
I've been walking as good as this for several days actually.
Have you? Straight
I
off
haven't
the
been doing all
operation?
your exercises. I've
Wow.
only done the ones that were difficult to start
Wow.
with.
Wow. I mean, you look as though you're making good progress. How's it been?
Well, I could be gardening really, but I didn't want, because the man in the chap that did the X-ray
Yeah.
said what you mustn't do is dislocate.
No.
You see,
No.
and
But you.
but this American firm said we encourage our patients to stand on one leg the very day they've had the surgery.
Yeah.
If they've had this robotic
Total hip. So
approach.
so you've had the robotic hip.
Which is robotic here.
How do you feel? How do you feel about that? Recovery
I'm
rates?
absolutely over the moon about it.
Yeah.
I can't believe the transformation in my life. Like it's been a year since I've been able to walk and actually swing both arms because I've been carrying a stick, and of course you can breathe more easily.
Yeah.
And everything about my mobility
Mm.
is transformed.
It's dramatically improved.
Thanks to
That's
it.
good. Yeah, it's a really good result, isn't it?
It's a fantastic result.
How did you get to see me then, John?
Well, you were recommended actually.
Oh, okay. You got the dirt on me.
Well, I can tell you, so she was sister from the Melbourne Hospital, Caroline Abbison.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And also our next door neighbour at this house, we're living in two places,
Yeah.
is Jane Allen. Her mother's a Wiggly, and
Oh.
you've done her
Oh, yes.
hips. The people with the big
The big
warehousing and
Yeah.
thing in
Oh,
Southport.
okay. Oh, okay. Well done. Well done. You've done really well.
This is all you.
You've done well. He's a legend. He's a legend.